think they heard me. I don't think they heard me the first time. So I gotta say it again for them.
I ain't felt this good in a minute. Own it. I ain't trying to rent it.
Look who's in the chair, Mr. Boss Man. What's up, people? We got another build. This is a classic C10, man. This is the classics. It's actually a really nice car. The guy who owns it, he looks pretty young. MB, well, pure MB. You know what I mean? Just kidding. Yo, Gocho is gonna be working on it, and we're gonna be doing. Check this out. The work order says we're gonna be installing 2 amplifiers, an epicenter, 2 amp kits, rear speakers, front speakers, and we're gonna make something for the front speakers to make it look suave. They cut holes in the door, which I'll show you in a little bit. They look ugly. We're gonna make it look nice. It's a classic car. Bring classic touch to it and get it going. Okay? Let's watch Cocho as he comes with the new install. All right, check it out. So the customer brought me those 2 amplifiers, Avionics. It's like shit that's been around since the 1990s. They haven't changed their style, nothing. Oh wait, yeah, they did. They changed the letters from red to blue. They used to be blue lettering on the box, now they're red. We got a Pioneer stereo, Infinity speakers, and yeah. So what Coach is going to be doing is installing 2 amplifiers, 4 speakers, an epicenter, and yeah, that's it. So this is something we're going to use. I'll show you guys that we use all the time. This is so we can show some lighting inside the car. Appreciate the tools, and we'll watch Coach run the cables, right, Coach? See or no? Damn. Alright, so check it out. Coach is gonna take everything out. We'll watch it on the time lapse. Woo! And he has to find out where the amps are gonna go. There seems like there's no space in this big ass truck, even though it's a big truck. No space. We'll figure it out. Let's go. That's the whole sound too about as well. See how it's like just ugly. Anyways, but something to cover that up. Alright guys, so we ended up changing the amp so we could fit him. So we're going to use customer's amp for bass, epicenter, and that little baby sound digital, okay? Alright guys, let's finish it up. We're going to have him finish with the wiring. Bam! Okay, so we got everything ready. They carpeted the metal pieces for the 6.9s. They just got to finish the front doors, right, Cocho?
Yep.
He's running the wire for that right now. We finished all the amp installs, so you can see there's the 4-channel. Then we got a smaller one so it can fit. Here's the customer's big old 2-channel, an epicenter. We're gonna put the box still, and then the radio's already been wired up, and we just need to put that in. Cool, guys. Looks like this one's gonna be ready soon, depending on how long it takes to make these brackets for the doors. All right, we'll watch him as he finishes on the time lapse. 3, 2, 1, let's go.
I've got this love condition, but I don't have a cure. Head over heels attention, it don't matter what I'm looking for. I got my dancing shoes, wish I knew some moves, but I got nothing to lose, and I'm looking at you. Maybe I've got you. In fact, I've got plenty of room. We've got that real connection, but love your friend and I do too. I got my dancing shoes, wish I knew some moves, but I got nothing to lose, and I'm looking at you. Maybe I've got you.
Alright, let's check out how these doors came out. Wow. Take it easy, guys. Whoa, I really like that. That looks good. Customer's gonna be happy. And yeah, that looks really, really good, dude. Shows the other side over there. Woo! The box. That's the back speakers, how they look. They put the carpet on them. And she's ready to go. We're gonna get a demo right now, see how she sounds. Alright guys, as always, comment, like, and subscribe to the videos. This was a sick little build. It was just a simple truck, a C10 truck, man. That fool was probably chilling, cruising right now, banging the system like, yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Always got new stuff coming. We're always getting some ideas. So, yeah. See you guys later.